Hi students, welcome to my English language class. Today adjectives and the plus adjectives are going to be discussed and hope these discussions must remove your confusions to use adjective and the plus adjective. Okay, fine, let's start our discussions. First of all, adjective. We know adjective is a kind of parts of a space describing a person, a thing, or a place. An adjective functions as a modifier of a nouns or pronouns. Here are some examples in this regards. The first one, the boy is talented. Here, if we ask ourselves, like, how is the boy? The answer we get is talented, which is an adjective in this sentence. The second one, Bangladesh is beautiful to look at. How is Bangladesh to look at? The answer we get is beautiful. So beautiful is an adjective in this sentence. Then the third one, Dhaka is a populous city. What kind of city is Dhaka? The answer is a populous city. Populous is an adjective here and it has pre-modified the noun city. And the fourth one, I need fresh air to refresh myself. Like the third example, fresh is also an adjective because it has pre-modified the nouns air. Thus, good, bad, poor, rich, honest, dishonest, lazy, idle, happy, sad, industrious, wise, foolish, etc. are adjectives. Then the plus adjective. An adjective preceded by the definite article the functions as a noun but not an adjective at all. Actually, it denotes overall all the persons or things in the same group. Here we find a table in which the difference between adjective and the plus adjective has been discussed. Adjective, poor. Poor is an adjective form which means having little or no money or other means of support. And the poor. The poor is a noun form which gives the idea of the people of the poor community. Rich. Rich is an adjective which means having lots of wealth of support. And the rich. The rich is a noun which means all the rich people. Idle. Idle is an adjective which gives the meaning avoiding work. And the idle. The idle is a noun which means all the lazy persons. Then honest. Honest is an adjective form which means absence of lying, cheating, theft, etc. And the honest is a noun form which means all the honest people. Okay, fine. But remember here, a sentence starting with the plus adjective to be the subject always takes a plural verb because the plus adjective treats like a plural noun. Here are some examples. The first one we see, the poor live a very miserable life. Here the poor is the subject in this sentence to which is a plural noun for which it agrees to the base from a verb, live. The second one, the rich are not always happy. The rich is also a plural noun and it takes B verbs after it. And the third one, the idle lag behind in life. The idle is a plural noun and it takes the base from a bird's leg after it. Okay, fine. Today's discussions has been over here. Please don't forget to subscribe my channels to get the next more important lectures on English language. Thank you very much.